Nizim Africa, sanibonani dumelang absheni endelo. This Dr. Otikehlela Makehla, Nyange Nkulu, yase Nizim Africa. Gisegoli, Johannesburg, Mondio. Indaba yase Mondio, bagwethu ayingene ngise Mondio. Mondio is just on the very same street ne Southgate Mall. Southgate Mall. Southgate Mall. Uma nje futhi ufuna ukwazi, I am near Sun City Prison. I am near Sun City Prison. Ngise Mondio near Sun City Prison ne Southgate Mall. Sun City Prison ise Naturena. Naturena front opposite yakhona iTintis. Kunendawo yotshalo kuthiwa iTintis indawo yakudala. Kipleke yagale. So batla understand ukuthi kiwa ngore kireng wena. Ungaloku uthi mkhulu kanti kuphi? Google nje Sun City Prison. Ugoogle i Southgate. Itla ubonisa hore ke Mondio. Columbine Street ukuya phezulu ilanje khona. Bakwethu ngiyabonga ukuthi ungamngele emzini wakho, efonini lakho, endaweni yakho, wherever la ukhona ungamngeli mntaka baba ungibhekile, ungilalele, uzinika isikhathi. So may God bless you for that. Because I believe ukuthi mhlambe this video ibiyenze ukuthi iziwe nje indlebe zakho. Mamela kirong wena. Kunabantu ukuthi they've done serious mistakes empilweni zabo. But those people, they always beat themselves up for that. Listen to me very carefully. Beating yourself up for the mistakes of which you did previously, leyo will never help you with anything. There are people of which badlwa imali abangani, badlwa imali imndeni, bamoshakalwa imali ngento useless ezingenamsebenzi. But till today, you are still beating yourself up because of that. Till today, usazihlukumeza because of that. Till today, usazilwisa because of that. Till today, usalwa nawe because of that. Washiwa indoda ngenxa yobufebe bakho owabenza. Till today, lo myeni wakho akushiya 10 years ago, but till today you are still beating yourself up because of that. Huh? Kore otlodula ya ngiyahluleka ngadliwa abangani imali ngahlule ukuthenga imoto by time bengisebenza kahle kunje ngahlule ukwenza ibusiness by time I was doing well ngahlule ukwenza ini by time usasebenza kahle yebo ngadla ipension fund yami ngento ezingenamsebenzi. Bakwethu, you can never beat yourself up. You can never beat yourself up because of your previous life. You won't have umhlahlandlela uma wenza njalo. You won't have indlela yokuya phambili. You won't have umhlahlandlela uma wenza njalo. If you'll keep on beating yourself up because of your history, because of your previous life, bakwethu, awona motla bayadenka bophilo. Mina, if I can tell you my journey, you won't believe. Mina, if I can tell you the things of which I've encountered in life, you won't believe. Mina, if I can tell you ukuthi abantu abawungakhi abadlala ngami emhlabeni, abantu abawungakhi ekade ngibathembile bangifake intweni ezirong, angeke uzuvume. Mina, if I can tell you today ukuthi abantu abawungakhi abangiphatha kabi empilweni, ngisho ngithi la ngempela sekuyenzeka. So stop beating yourself up for izinto ezingenamsebenzi. That's why in South Africa we don't have something ebizwa ngejail. We don't have a prison in South Africa. We only have a correctional service. We only have a correctional service. What is that? We only have a correctional service because of people are going there to be corrected from their previous mistakes, from the things of which they did. People are going there to be corrected. People are going there to be fixed. Bayilolukiswa njengemoto ukuthi imosheke gearbox. Bayolukiswa. So wena awule muthu ngempela. Uma wena umuntu ufuna ukuzidla ngenxa yenkinga zakudala, ayikho into ozoba nayo emhlabeni. Ayikho into ozoba nayo. Because of makumele ubuke phambili, you will always say ngadliwa 2 million abangani. So nanoma kunemali ezayo engayenza the very same 2 million, awukhona uyibona. Because when you are still focusing kuleya 2 million eyadliwa 20 years ago, eyadliwa 10 years ago, eyadliwa 5 years ago, kuyimanje kumele uyithintithe uri hore ke pele ke ya jwang. How do I embark on a journey of fixing my life for righteousness? How do I embark on a journey of fixing my life for the betterment of itself? How do I embark on a journey of ukuthi ngikhule emoyeni, ngikhule empilweni, ngibe nemali, ngiphakame? You can't. Awukhoni, because you are busy focusing on your previous life. You are busy focusing kwimpilo yakho eyadlula. You are focusing into zakudala. Mamele ke wena, I don't care who you are from where and what have you faced. Njengoba ngingazi ukuthi wena wafacea in, you also don't know what I faced in life. But ngifuna ukutshela something today. If you will keep on with that mentality of yours, if you will keep on with that mentality of yours, of focusing on into zakho ezadlula, you won't make it ukuthi phambili. You will never see the shining door of your future. The shining door of your future, you will never see it. Because of usashibile bophelo ba morao, bo ka se thusi ka letho. Usashibile o no shwele ke boyfriend ene nyo betcha. Wa palla ku etsa something good out of it. Mamele ke reng ho wena. Mamele. If you will keep on beating yourself because of your previous mistakes, I'm telling you this as a man, as a male figure, as a father, as a brother, as an uncle, as a spiritual healer, as a spiritual leader for that matter, you'll never go anywhere with your life. You will never go anywhere with your life. That's something of which I can tell you. That's the only thing of which I can tell you. Ayikho enye into engakutshela yona. Mthongwe nanga uyitsa yona hayiyo. This is the only thing ngakutshela ukuthi if umuntu wena umuntu, but you're still beating yourself because of the things of which happened previously. You'll never see indlela yaphambili. Abantu abakwenza into ezimbi bayeke. Umuntu wakwenza into embi awumbulali. Umuntu wakwenza into embi awumiyele enyangeni. Umuntu wakwenza into embi ukuthi umuntu wakwenza into embi uthi uyambulala awumolayi. Umuntu wakwenza into embi sisi mama buti baba o rapela modimo hore modimo o hlolofatse hape. Ha modimo o hlolofatsa hape, uma uNkulunkulu ekubusisa futhi akubusise phambi kwamehlo akhe, azibuza ukuthi njengoba lo muntu ngamudla more than 2 million, but lo muntu lo she's now surviving and now she's doing well even more than the way bengimazi ngakhona. Kuro baswabise banyele. Even the people of which thought you won't make it without them, you must show them ukuthi you'll even make it 1,000 times without them. And you're even better off without them. That's something of which we apply in your heart, that you are a person and people do mistakes. That's why sibizwa ngabantu. It's because of we are so imperfect. We are not imperfect. We are so imperfect. Hare perfect. We are non-perfect. We are not perfect. We are imperfect. Hare batho ba eleng hore rona re perfect. That's why we are called people. Singabantu. So, when you always beat yourself up, You will always beat yourself up. You will always torture yourself. This thing of you not sleeping at night, thinking about the money of which yadliwa Ben 10. Honale memo o jile ke le Ben 10 ke a mmona ke bua tshi. O jile ke le Ben 10 o ntshebile. Le Ben 10 lo jile la bali ya ka tšhelete. Wena o itjwetsa o thotse soulmate. O buitse o thole soulmate. Wena o ipela o thotse soulmate. Soulmate nix. Aba tshola soulmate nix. O ne tshwetse fela sefebe sa ngwana. Se ne se batla fela kuku ya mosadi moholo. Le tšhelete ya mosadi moholo. Sefebe sa ngwana fela. Na le motho no Ben 10 le mojile, le moqetile. Na le motho wa ntate o ile ngasiya bana ba hae. Wa khohlwa ingane zakho. Wa matha le tikatsi la ngwana o monyane, wa mkinya sekolo. Hona tjho o sila re monna moholo. That's why they usually say we learn from our mistakes. We learn from the things of which we did. Ngikhuluma lento ngisemakhosini mungathi abheke emva kwami mithi. I won't speak lies. I won't spit lies. I won't speak lies. I won't spit lies. Ngisendaweni yamakhosi. I'm telling you izinto ezamaqiniso. That's why ngilapha wena. Mamela ngwaneso. Ngisegoli 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Ngisebenza abantu ngisiza abantu. Ngiphakamisa abantu. Iphamo zami zonke from 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000, 100,000, 150,000, 200,000. Woza ngizokuphakamisa ngikwenzele nje impilo yakho ibe ngcono. Utshintshe ubuphilo baha, uyekele ukuhlala njalo uhluphekile, ukhaliswa imali ezadliwa ama Ben 10. Come ngikwenzele something engcono. Kube kuyikuthi wena ntate indoda emnyama naye, wena ntate wa pipi esatsoweng ibitsa fela 700 rand. You can come for my walk-ins. You don't book for this. It's just something that you purchase, then you leave. Woza uthola impande yakho, impilo yakho ikwazi ukuthi ibe ngcono, yonke into ikwazi ukuthi ishintshe. This Dr. Utikehlela Makhehla, nyanga enkulu nyanga yase Ningizimu Afrika. Siyabonga.